Hello, everyone. So, today I want to talk about a recent incident which has really left me shocked and too much disappointed. You may know the influencer I'm referring to. So, he started his career with making a small fitness podcast, and he even earned a very good recognition as a national creator from our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. So, if I look at his journey, he started as a small podcast maker. Actually, his earlier content also played a very good role a very huge role in my transformation journey when I was actually struggling with weight. So basically, when I was actually struggling with body weight and I used to watch his videos of beer biceps, his content was really wonderful and really helpful for me. मतलब मुझे तो एक टाइम पे इस लड़के पे क्रश हो गया था क्योंकि ये इतना अच्छे से सिखाता था कि कैसे हाउ टू यूज़ योर ओन बॉडी वेट, हाउ टू बिल्ड योर मसल्स एंड हाउ टू कीप द पोर्शन ऑफ द मील. मतलब बहुत अच्छा से समझाता था ये लड़का. This guy has recently made some remarks on social media that was very downright disrespectful towards parents. A value that many of us, hold very dearly. Parents, for someone who actually inspired so many with messages of self-empowerment, respect, and fitness, and these are actually, whatever comments he has recently made are like, these comments are like a betrayal. Oh my God. मतलब उस इंसान के अंदर क्या आदमी था और वो क्या दिखा रहा था समाज को. So this incident actually made me reflect the responsibility which comes with the influence. When a public figure like this one, who has significantly impacted our lives, millions of people's life for the better of them, suddenly they undermines the importance of parents and family and all the important things in our life. What kind of confusion this guy has created. Oh my God. मतलब मेरे माइंड में ना उथल पुथल हो गई है उसकी ये बात सुन के. We always look up for our mentors. इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में इतनी बड़ी अचीवमेंट कर लेना आसान बात नहीं होती है. उसने मेहनत करी है, लेकिन क्या कर दिया उसने. मतलब अंदर क्या था उस इंसान के, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है अभी. I mean, this guy was really good. He was really good at what he was doing. बट अंदर किसी इंसान के क्या शैतान छुपा है वो आपको नहीं मालूम है ना. मतलब ऐसे कमेंट, इतने घटिया कमेंट कैसे आप कर सकते हो पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर. आपको कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है देखने के लिए. सो इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी नेचुरल टू एडमायर and learn from those who are easily available online, but we must also remain true to ourselves. So let us all continue respecting our parents and whatever values we have, we should continue doing that. And whatever he has done, he will understand later. So thank you so much, guys, for hearing me out on this topic. I would really love to have the opinions of every one of you, whoever is watching, to keep up the balance between admirations and accountability. I would like to have opinions on that. And okay, Ram Ram, everyone. So good night, ciao ciao, bye bye.